going to show you how to set up the Apple Watch Series 9 as well as the 9 Ultra step by step. First thing is turn the watch on, press and hold that power button until it boots up. Next is we want to go ahead and download the Apple Watch app if you didn't already download it. To download it, just go to your app store and just do a search for Apple Watch, and this is what the icon here looks like. After you download and install it, open it up. Let me open mine up right here. And then from here, it should say start pairing. Okay, make sure the watch is next to the phone. Tap on start pairing right there. And do you want to set up for yourself or set up for a family member? I'm going to do it for myself here. Hold Apple Watch up to the camera. So we're going to go ahead and hold this up just like this. We're going to put that right in there and just wait a few seconds. Okay, Apple Watch is paired. Now I can restore from a backup or set up as a new Apple Watch. I'm going to set up as a new Apple Watch right there. Wrist preference, tap on continue here. Connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. It says setting language on the watch. Now it says activating your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Terms and conditions, go ahead and read through that. If you agree, tap on agree. Signing into your account, this may take a few minutes. Apple Watch passcode, basically a password. You can add a long password, don't add a password, or just create a password. Okay, I would advise put some kind of passcode into it now. I'll create a passcode here, and I'm going to choose a 4-digit for myself. Now it's going to ask me to re-enter it one more time. Okay, there we go. Bold text and size, you can continue and set that up now, or you can set up and do it later. I'm going to go ahead and set mine up now. Just tap on continue here. Shared settings, read through that and go with OK. Personalized fitness and health, you can go ahead and put your DOB, sex, weight, if you're in a wheelchair or not, and then go ahead and tap on continue. Get notifications about your health, go ahead and read through that. I'm going to keep that for myself toggled on, and I will tap on continue. Safety, this is your emergency SOS. Go ahead and tap on continue after you read that. Cellular setup, if you want to use it on the watch, you can set up cellular or you can do not now. For me, I have to go not now because I don't have that plan with my carrier. Here's your Apple Pay. You can set this up now or do it later. I'm just going to do mine later. Action button, choose what you would like the action button to do. So if you want to see what it can do, tap on continue. If not, you can set up later in settings. Depth. The Depth app can automatically open underwater and measure temperature, time, and depth. So that's up to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and put down open depth when submerged. When I go swimming, driving, safety, go ahead and read through that. You can learn more as well. After that, tap on continue. Okay, just heard this ring. Welcome to Apple Watch. Go ahead and click on OK right there. And it says hello right there. Learn how to navigate the watch. Just a little tutorial. So this is the Series 9 Ultra, okay? So press the digital crown to use the apps. You can see there. Press the digital crown to return to the clock face. Press the side button to open up Control Center. Side button / power button. That's the Control Center. And to close the Control Center, just tap the side / power button again. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets. So the little crown here, you can go ahead and see your widgets there. Welcome to Apple Watch. And I get this message here, allow world clock to use your location. You can go ahead and read through that. So that's optional, up to you. For me, I'm just going to put don't allow. And there you go. Guys, we are in business. Questions, issues, comment below.